Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best fishing reel combo on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. LIXADA Fishing Reel Combo. The LIXADA Fishing Reel Combo is an affordable portable telescopic fishing rod that can be extended from 8.2 to 24 feet with a built-in reel. It includes a high-quality and versatile fishing reel, which can be detached for use as a bait caster. With a compact size and strong build, the LIXADA Fishing Reel Combo is easy to assemble and use. This ideal fishing rod combo set offers fishing enthusiasts the most comfortable, convenient, and fun fishing experience. An adjustable shoulder strap is included to ensure convenience and portability. The LIXADA Fishing Reel Combo is an essential addition to any angler's collection. Please carefully measure the length of rod you want and consider the size of reel you may want to use. It also comes with a quality and durable aluminum handle, giving your rod a more solid feel in your hand. This quality rod is perfect for beginners and experienced fishers alike. Number 4. Gaining Y76 Fishing Reel Combo. The product is the ultimate fishing pole. It is made of advanced carbon fiber material and features metal fittings. It features a telescopic rod and a reel which has the capability to hold up to 12 pounds of drag. The rod can extend up to 12 feet and collapse down to 6 feet to easily fit in a backpack. The setup is complete with a strong cranker system, lightweight carbon fiber material and metal fittings, and a strong built-in carbine reel. This fishing pole can be used for saltwater, freshwater and deep-sea fishing. This fishing pole is designed to be sturdy and reliable. It has a solid construction and can be used in a wide variety of settings and terrains. The rod's carbon fiber makes it light and easy to use, while its length and power allow you to reel in a variety of fish. Number 3. SEACHASER BDDL11 Fishing Reel Combo. The SEACHASER BDDL11 fishing reel combos are perfect for the beginning ice fisherman. Each combo is lightweight and extremely durable. Features include durable aluminum construction, lightweight, strong carbon fiber insulators, stainless steel main gear, 1 ball bearing, aluminum spool, including a removable tip grip. Rods are durable, high-strength aluminum with a foam handle grip. The medium action rod has an extended section that will help in handling large fish. Our rod blanks feature the latest applications of graphite and fiberglass, carbon fiber and basalt fiber technologies. The blanks are constructed with the best quality materials available for the rod and fishing reel components, resulting in a truly outstanding product. Number 2. Sougayilang Fishing Reel Combo. The Segalang Spinning Fishing Combo 1.6 meters carbon fiber spinning rod and 5.21 high-speed spinning fishing reel fishing kit Pesca is designed especially for fishing enthusiasts. It features high performance, lightweight, sturdy and durable. The fishing reel combo contains a reeling machine and a carbon fiber rod. This fishing reel combo enables you to catch fish and enjoy the fun of fishing. It is equipped with strong carbon fiber blank that ensures it can be used with either light or heavy line. With this reliable and sensitive fishing rod, you never have to settle for fishing with bad quality fishing poles again. Light and strong carbon fiber blank designed to give you the feel you need without compromising on strength. Alloy handle is comfortable and durable. 2 stainless steel fins at the bottom of the rod to reduce vibration, effectively control the movement of the rod. Extra durable and sensitive fishing rod. Extra quality and 2-piece rod. Number 1. LINNHUE Fishing Reel Combo. LINNHUE Fishing Reel Combo made of high-class carbon fiber with a light and sensitive blank. The blank is made of high-quality, multi-layered carbon material with a special coating which is extremely strong and flexible, but also light in weight. The light and sensitive blank offers, together with the high-quality guides and the light casings, optimum conditions for perfect fishing. The blank is jointed, whereby a particularly stable connection with the reel seat is achieved, which offers improved high-torque equilibrium and thus more efficiency, as well as better fishing fun. The blank is also equipped with a special ice coating for maximum ice fishing fun. The reel seat is made of aluminum and offers the correct position of the reel for the optimum weight balance. The reel seat can be changed to the left or right side upon request. The reel seat is equipped with a carbon fiber hood for optimum protection against pressure and UV light. The rod is equipped with a rubber cap for optimum protection against damage, as well as a rubber end cap as stopper of the function high power. The rod is delivered in an elegant rod bag. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.